Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another rigged report. 7-7, July 7th. Awesome session, great price action. Not a trend day, but if you followed the system, you made money. Let's look at what this thing says. This is our strategy box. Price action is flat. Wait for the breakout from the blue line. Follow it to the yellow zone. Okay? What happens? Well, we can just pull this off really quickly. 10:30, we're going down below the blue line. So following the price action, we're looking for bears, okay? Come back to our strategy box once again, below the blue line, after a swing, and above strike, okay? Above the strike. Look at what happens. You go down, kind of test -2 here, but the further we get, the more late we are. But then you get a swing above the strike. You're getting bear swings and KTRs filling. Win rate, decent on these, but that is an instant winner. This is the yellow zone. We hit it, boom, you make money. Again, you can use all of this flow, and let's just turn off the returns for now. Think we're below the blue line, and anytime you hit this above the strike, -3 to -2, awesome. Awesome again here. And if you had cojones of steel, you were able to hold until the red zone where it says bear risk bull swing zone. Look what happens when we get down into the red. You test this low of the day twice. This is a massive bull bomb. 1,250, basically 1.2, 1.3 million in bullish flow. You're getting KTR filling here. And any entry below -5, below the strike, absolutely beautiful because what? You get 1, 2 higher. No alerts for the last hour and a half of the session. And this thing kind of just closed. -2. Ultimately, we do CTE, check, trade, exit. Neutral, follow the price action. Okay, price action's going down. Bears after a swing and above the strike. And that's what we get. You get a swing above the strike. This goes for 383%, barely in profit, but you're taking this instantly. You get 2 strikes. Trump probably said something. 4 minutes. Take the money and run, baby. And the last best setup of the day, as soon as we hit the red, look at that. KTR, awesome for this as well. 349%. Q, not as many alerts. Kind of similar price action, except you did get back to the blue line before this nuke. And then, this is a decent trade, right? Big nuke, nice little bounce. But we're below the blue line. Anytime you went short, above the strike, boom, you got it. Not to mention here at the end, and this is important, right? We always want to look at the number of strikes we are from the blue line. This is -4, okay? So you're 4 down. You don't want to go short again at -3. Because you go down 4, roughly you're looking for like half. Look at that, -4, -2. This is a great entry as well. Now, on a bear trend day, we're going to nuke at the close. Didn't happen today, but still, decent entry, an awesome alert. They're going to let you know where the bottom is. We see it here on Q, and we see it here on SPY. You can't break that low of the day, and there's only an hour, 2 hours left in the session. Has the potential to fly. And you see that here, going from -5 all the way to 2.69. Great session. You were able to make money on the downside. You were able to make money long. And if you follow the system strategy, we gave you the setups, and all you had to do was execute to win. Let's hope July continues being an epic trading month.